Hello everybody. Today we are making vegetable and mushroom pie.
Little yeast.
To begin with, we
One
start
teaspoon.
taking flour number 1 and add yeast
Yeah.
about 1 teaspoon.
Then warm water.
Add warm water. Mix the flour mixture properly so that water infiltrates into each corner to make a successful dough. Leave the dough mix for some
This
time
green leaves.
for the yeast to act.
Egg.
Now for the ingredients. That's shrimp, dried shrimp, available in every grocery or supermarket. Dry mushroom soaked in water. Leaves, preferably leeks or spring onion. 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Break the eggs into a bowl and beat it. Shrink off the water from mushroom and slice into very thin layers, or rather chop it. Place a frying pan on the stove, add a little cooking oil, add the beaten egg. Put the scrambled egg in a bowl and add sliced mushroom into that.
Actually, cancer people.
Adding mushroom into your daily diet
Yeah.
is a very good health precaution, since mushrooms are known to cure many ailments.
Put this one inside.
Now add soaked dried shrimp. Add sesame oil 1 teaspoon. Add light soy sauce
Yeah.
about 1 teaspoon. Add cooking oil about 2 tablespoons.
Move the cell.
Grind white pepper seeds about a teaspoon. Now mix properly. Drain the water off the leaves.
Leaves in the
And
supermarket.
chop.
Often eat a green. Sterilize inflammation. Kill the bacteria in your body.
Add chopped leaves into the bowl. Salt to your taste and mix.
Then mix.
Stir the mixture thoroughly so that all the ingredients are mixed together. The dough mixture has been there for I think about a half an hour. Take it out and start mixing. The dough is ready now. The yeast reaction has taken place. Now break into sizable lumps. Prepare the pie skins like this. The thinner is better,
Because I put the yeast.
And
so it will
then fill it
Yeah.
with the already prepared mix. Now you can prepare the pies with hands. This process will avoid getting it opened up. And that's the finished pie. Place it on the fire after applying some oil into the pan. From a different angle, I would like to show it how it is being made. That's the prepared pie. Looks nicer and appetizing. Place a frying pan, flat frying pan on the stove, and place the prepared pie after applying some oil into the pan. Place it in the pan and cover it. After about 5 minutes, topple them over. Topple the pies upside down so that both sides get roasted properly.
Brush some oil.
Brush some oil, cooking oil, onto the pies so that it maintains the shininess as well as it helps the proper roasting. Cover it for even cooking. The dish is ready now and it's ready to eat.
See, garlic. Grind the garlic. Not sweet.
The dish is ready now. You can eat it with soy sauce mixed with ground garlic
And the vinegar.
and a little vinegar. It will be very tasty that way. It's delicious, healthy,
Homemade.
and above it's homemade.